What's up guys, Surge here. So the OnePlus 6 is about to be unveiled in a matter of hours, but just before the presentation we have some hands-on images of the real device. Now this leak comes from phonearena.com, and as expected, the OnePlus 6 will come in 3 color variants, that is white, midnight black and mirror black, having a glass back panel. Again, on the back we have vertically aligned dual camera setup with a dual LED flash and a pill-shaped fingerprint scanner, followed by the OnePlus logo. On the front, the device features a 6.28-inch Full HD Plus display with a notch on the top. Despite of the notch, we have a bottom bezel which more or less looks like a S9 Plus bottom bezel. As per the image, the display covers the whole front panel. Now, for the first time, OnePlus has moved the alert slider to the right side. The device retains a 3.5mm headphone jack, and it also has a USB Type-C port. Moving to the back, we have a bumped camera arrangement, so you're gonna need a case for your premium mobile phone. A leakster has also posted some images of OnePlus 6's official accessories with their accurate pricing. Now, these are exact prices and are not converted. We also got to see a teaser image which reveals that OnePlus 6 will be arriving with AI capabilities for both the front and rear mounted cameras. OnePlus CEO Pete Law has also shared a couple of OnePlus 6 camera samples which he specifically indicated were shot using the upcoming flagship's camera. The pictures are evidence of the ability of OnePlus 6 to capture amazing shots with vivid clarity. So that said, the OnePlus 6 is about to be unveiled, and tell me if you are going to buy this amazing device, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.